Hey, when you first receive a design project from our creative team here at White Label Agency, we will communicate notes, corrections, and adjustments directly on the design using a software tool called Figma. The first draft of the design will initially go to your personal account manager. They will review it and double-check that it aligns with all of the initial specifications. Then they will send you a link to Figma, and you can do a review of the design. To start commenting, click on the speech bubble icon located in the main toolbar at the top of the screen, usually towards the top right or left. Or just tap C on your keyboard to enter commenting mode, and then C again to exit. To add a comment, simply left-click your mouse on the specific item where you want to leave feedback. If you accidentally clicked on the wrong spot, just left-click anywhere else on the screen or tap the Escape key on your keyboard to dismiss it. Please provide as many comments as possible and be exceptionally clear and detailed. Instead of saying something like, "The color feels wrong," try to give us the colors you would prefer and/or where they should be applied. If you'd prefer a different text font, try to find the exact font you were looking for or offer examples that you think would fit the design. The more thorough the information our designers receive, the faster and more on target the process should be. When you're done with the feedback, just let your personal account manager know. Ideally, the final result will be achieved within 2 or 3 rounds of feedback. It's important to note that any additional rounds of feedback could possibly extend the timeline. And that's how it works. We have more informational videos coming out on a regular basis, so if you found this one helpful, please subscribe. Thanks.